so winded. Any place to be?
Yeah. Cannot beat this place. I can't. That waterfall was beautiful. The river thing was beautiful. Look at this place. It's like we didn't. Next time we gotta go to the reservoir, okay?
Yes. And
the other place that you saw, yeah.
And New York State again.
And it's funny. My feet are completely dry.
Mine are not.
I put the rock there. I was gonna get the other one, and then you flipped the tree. I was like, There's a new scale. How in trouble are we? Are we Kiwi getting us to New York trouble, or?